Rode my Honda bike and started from my home. Pick up my girlfriend and we headed for the town. First time in my life with my baby girl behind me. I felt like riding on a paradise land. She held me tight and I feel like I'm flung above, man. Leaning on my body and she said, yeah, I love you. Man, my journey nobody and I was overjoyed. I met some of the street guys sitting on the roadside, and I couldn't hear them sound loud, same and west side. But I pretended like the way I didn't hear what they say. We headed straight into the city's famous talk of the town. And then we had a lunch and talk about the silly things, the silly fights, silly thing we do through the phone, man. I feel like I'm on the top of the world. The romantic girl, she likes working the streets to expose her Romeo, and holding hands together in the most peaceful way. We walk alone in the streets uninterrupted, and this is my prayer that we won't be separated. We treasure every moment that we spend together, and we are most happy when we are together. Like the other romantic boys, I like kissing. On every meeting that we had, I kiss my Juliet. No matter what may come between us, she won't walk away. We made a vow to love each other till the end of our time. Oh my God, but they said that promises are made to be broken. Damn, from this day onward, let this coalition be broken. To live in peace with my baby girl forever.
LEng Saang and Guol, chúng lên vào bờ nghĩa, nàng hôm nay hình Kiên tình nghĩ lâu, có mà động lệ, có hình đi khu kỳ về bờ nghĩa.
Hey girl, gotta tell you something, so I bet you listen up. Forever. As time goes on and on, man, I'm more like an insane. Missing my lady, cause now we are in a distance. Which I had a savage of the creator family. I'm losing my patience cause I wanna be a date beside my lady, present me to start a new life. Oh, heaven help me out and pull me up, cause I wanna live a life of a lonely man. And every time she's on the line, she's always crying, repeated the same, of course, and leaving me puzzled about the creation of a good Christian family, and dumbfounded I would be silent like a scarecrow. With a situation like this, I won't be single for long. And now till anything has been said and done between us, God gave us, it's not ready to face the world.